How y'all doing? Thanks for joining and welcome to my intarsia talk. Today I'm talking about wood and I use a whole bunch of different colors just to obtain the picture I want. And they're all natural and they're sourced from all over the world, mostly from Africa, Asia, and some of them are domestic, not exotic. And I'm just going to talk about how you could recognize the different colors, and I'm just going to walk through it as quickly as possible because I have about 20 different things here or different species here I'll talk about real quick. But if you follow me on Facebook, I do a lot of listing of the woods, and some people can recognize them and some people can't. So I'm going to do a quick one real quick. On top here is a cedar. It's a real light wood, comes in a pink and a white. Very easy to cut, very easy to sand. This one's aromatic, so therefore it smells amazing when you cut it. You'll see it in a lot of cedar closets to keep the bugs down and stuff like that. This is a bubblinga. It's got amazing grain. It's a reddish wood. I believe that one's from Africa as well. Behind that is a Paduke. It's a redwood. It's a very oily wood. It leaves a lot of dust. It's gorgeous, but messy. So watch out using that. This is a bloodwood. It's another redwood. It's more of a deeper maroonish wood. Real tight grained. Very hard wood as well. Now, one thing working with all these woods, I want to point out to somebody because it happened, or to y'all, that this happened to me. I found out I'm allergic to some of these species, and it was kind of a poison ivy like rash I got on my body, and it didn't go away for months because it leaves dust through your shop. So make sure you have a good dust collection system, or if you do find that you're allergic to something, it takes a while to get that dust out of there, so be patient. Anyway, back to the wood. This is a mahogany. It's a reddish wood as well. It's got real tight grain. It's beautiful. Love this wood. Cuts easy. Behind it, it's a yellow heart. Yellow, weird. It's in the name. Gorgeous. It does have a purple heart. I don't have a large piece to show you, but it is a very purple grain. Gorgeous. All right, moving on to the next one is a canary. Another yellow, has red stripes in it, sometimes pink, sometimes orange. Wenge. This is a black wood. It's got white stripes in it now, but when you apply a finish, it all turns black. You can see the grain through it. It's great for furniture. Very hard wood. It will kill your blades. Along with ebony. This is a very expensive hardwood. Great for eyes because it almost polishes to like a marble-like finish. Great wood if you can obtain it. This here is a big leaf maple, and this has a quilted effect. I don't know if you can see that translucent like 3D effect it has on it. Amazing looking wood. Very soft, easy to cut. This is a tiger maple. It's also big leaf, but you can see the tiger like striping through it. I don't know if you can see that in the light, but I can. All right, to the white woods. I have a couple pieces of bass. I have a couple just to show that all wood's different. One's darker than the other, but it is a white wood. It is a very soft wood. It is a very fibrous wood, so when you cut it, it does leave fibers behind, so it's tough to sand to a nice smooth finish. But it does have like a cream-like color when you use it in intarsia and apply a finish. Behind it's an aspen. It's a very white wood. And when applied to finish, it's very light as well, so be careful. This is a walnut, and I have a few boards here just to show the beautiful grains that come from the walnut. Very diverse wood, easy to cut, smells great when you work with it. And then moving on over here, we have poplar. I have a few kinds of that as well, just to show the difference in colors. It comes in blacks, comes in purples, comes in whites, comes in greens, which is my favorite. And always check the back side of your boards because it's always a different color. Green on one, white on the other. Then over here I have a zebra wood. Wonder why they call it that. Very hard wood. It stinks when you cut it, just to warn you. Then yellow pine, often found in households as construction use or whatnot. This is yellow pine as well that has a beetle kill, meaning it stains the wood a bluish color. I have another cedar here as well. I have an alder, which is a brownish wood. I didn't have a board to show you, but here's a butternut. Very tight grain, easy to cut. And then here is a red oak, very common in almost every household in the 70s and 90s. I'm sure everyone's seen it, whether furniture, cabinets, or whatnot. Well, that was my quick little tutorial. I hope you learned something, so when I say the different kinds of wood, you'll be able to recognize them. Thanks for following along. I hope you enjoyed this, learned something. If so, subscribe.